Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. In recent times, the global pandemic has significantly changed the education scenario and there has been a significant shift in academic delivery. University, even college campuses are places where students live and study and in close proximity to each other. They are also buzzing cultural hubs where students are brought together from various places across the world. Recently, the foundation of this unique ecosystem has been impacted significantly by the rapid spread of the virus. It has been now more than 15 months. Students are yet to join back campuses. So the question is, when will schools and colleges reopen? Now the fact is, vaccination of the age group of 18 to 44 years has already started. And even both teaching and non-teaching staff members of schools, colleges and universities are already vaccinated or are in the process. It seems that the opening of schools and colleges, specifically colleges and universities, will commence in a phased manner, wherein the students might require to carry written consent from parents. In today's video, we will check state-wise update relating to reopening of campuses, and relating to West Bengal, I will discuss the probable scenario at the very last. So viewers, kindly go through the entire video and be associated with the channel. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon and also like the video. So let's go through the details. So when will school and colleges to reopen? Now we will go into the details with respect to the state-wise list with reference to the reopening of campuses. Now it is being expected that the opening of schools and colleges will be in a phased manner, where the students would be required to take the consent letter, and students have been waiting in anticipation for a considerable long period of time for reopen of the schools and colleges, because this can be felt from Twitter, where students from Karnataka, Punjab, Bihar, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh have written and asking for reopening of campuses. Unfortunately, few schools reopened last in November 2020 but decided to close down by February because of the second wave. Now let's discuss state-wise what is the plan relating to reopening of schools and colleges. I will specifically say colleges and universities. Now relating to Himachal Pradesh, they are clear about the fact. They have announced that June 11th, that is 11th of June, the opening for medical, Ayurvedic, dental, nursing, pharmacy colleges. Similarly, Delhi has highlighted that they were going to continue with the online classes as of now, and there is no plan to open up campuses as on date. Now relating to Jammu and Kashmir, they have very clearly said that the school, colleges, university, even technical and skill foundation institute, even coaching centers will remain closed till 30th of June. And the decision relating to reopening will be taken thereafter. Moving on to Maharashtra, they have opened only to conduct the Maharashtra Common Entrance Test and other professional courses after class 12, and this is going to take place in the last week of July or the first week of August. Regarding Telangana, they have extended the summer vacation till 20th of June. Kerala only has eased out the restriction relating to public examination in the state. Andhra Pradesh, there is as such no information. Karnataka on the other side, where the situation is not good, has clearly said the session is going to start in October. Tamil Nadu, no decision has been taken and said that announcement relating to the same will happen post taking the current situation into consideration. Similarly, Haryana also has gone for a summer vacation extension till June 30th. Assam government has cancelled opening up all educational institutes till June 14th, and they are monitoring the current scenario into consideration, rather gauging the current situation into consideration, and a decision will be taken thereafter. Currently online classes are on. Uttar Pradesh, there is no further information. The latest notice is to carry on and continue with online classes. Punjab, it's very clear it's going to be shut till June 23rd. Odisha is yet to take a call with respect to opening up of schools and colleges. So viewers, we can only see Himachal Pradesh as one of the states who is going to open up by June 11th and opening up for medical, Ayurvedic, dental, nursing, pharmacy college in the state. Now the question is, when can we expect school, colleges and university to reopen in Bengal? Reopening of school is impossible until and unless students and children or the age group below 18 are vaccinated. But since current vaccination is on for 18 to 44 and the number of cases in the second wave is getting reduced, partial opening up of campus, specifically for engineering, pharmacy and medical might happen post Puja, that means your next semester. This was an important information which I felt like sharing with you all relating to opening of school, colleges, universities. Moreover, videos relating to education, examination and other processes. You will get updated videos from this channel. So viewers, be associated with this channel. Till then, thank you. Take care.